Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised, here is the makeup look that I created using the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Honestly guys, I didn't know what I wanted to do when I started filming this video. Well, I kind of wanted to do the Ariana Grande makeup that she wore in the video God is a Woman. But when I saw her makeup, it was just black eyeliner with like a cut crease. I think it was white. And it was gold eyeshadow and then like brown eyeshadow on the edge. So I wanted to do something like that. What I wanted to do is more on the like lavender and purple shades with a little bit of pink, because that's what I feel like when I look into this palette. It's like that lavender color mixed with all these other beautiful shades in the palette. This eye makeup look is how I feel when I look at this palette. It represents the entire palette, even though I didn't use all of the eyeshadows, but it's something that I haven't done in my channel or ever. I've done cut creases, I've done semi-cut creases, but like the little space right here that I left along with the eyeliner following the cut crease, I have never done that before, so I feel so proud of myself and so accomplished. So I hope you guys like and enjoy this talk through makeup tutorial. Yes, it is a talk through makeup tutorial finally. So without further ado, let's start the makeup tutorial. I'm gonna start with the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we're gonna pick the shade Love. So I don't know what I want yet. I'm just gonna go with the flow. So I'm taking this Love shade onto a blending brush. This is by Sigma. This is gonna be our transition shade. We're just gonna blend this a little bit above the crease. These colors are very pigmented. I actually find that they blend nicely together. Just gonna extend this shade. Next I'm going to grab Eccentric. Okay, we're just going to add this color on the outer corner, on the curve right here. Or you know what? Let's just take it all the way. We're just going to apply this just a little bit lower, just a little bit more on the crease. Going back with a little bit of that Love color. Next I'm going to grab Soul, this shade right here. It's a lavender shade. And we're going to apply that on the same spot, like softly. They are just so pigmented. Ooh. We're going to kind of blend in that yellow shade. Now I'm going to cut the crease using the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. I'm just going to apply some on the back of my hand. I'm going to use a flat definer brush to cut the crease. This one's by NYX. You really want to take your time with this because it's a wrong move and you can just mess it up. Okay guys, so now that I cut the crease on that same brush, I'm going to grab Celestial. I'm going to pat it. Ooh, don't mind this right there. I made a mistake. It's okay. It's alright. You want to start this color at the very beginning of the eye because it will become a different shade. That part right there wasn't supposed to be color. It's supposed to be a different shade. The next color I'm going to grab is Rose Gold on that same brush. So I just basically cleaned my brush on a paper and I'm dipping it into the new shade, which is Rose Gold. And we are going to take that Rose Gold from here. We just want to mix them in. Careful with the edge. Once we're almost at the outer corner, right before the outer corner, we just want to not fill that in. Okay, now I'm going to grab this color right here, which is called Base. On a different brush, I'm just going to go ahead and pat this shade as close as possible to the cut crease. Next, the color that's going to go right beside Rose Gold is going to be Passion. So I'm going to pick up Passion with a different brush. I'm going to grab it with another flat definer brush We're just gonna leave a little bit of space between the cut crease and the base shade that I just applied. So we're following the same shape. Now I'm gonna go back with my Morphe, but this time I'm gonna grab Passion and I'm gonna add it right here. And I'm just gonna blend it in with Rose Gold. And I'm just gonna go back with the other flat definer brush to just get the product right here. And then just blend in the rest of the colors in here. I'm gonna do my other eye off of camera and I'll be right back. Next I'm gonna be grabbing Wild Child with a shading brush. And we're gonna apply this at the very highest point of the brow, very softly, because it is very pigmented. And you can blend it out. My hairs are so annoying. For the eyeliner, I know that this is turning out like a complicated look and I'm sorry for that, but I'm just really feeling this look. I'm gonna be using the NYX Vivid Bright liner to just line the curve of the cut crease meeting to this point. I'm not gonna pass through. Alright, so let's just go ahead and do it. I think I'm gonna have to grab a little bit more of the product every single time because it kind of gets lost in the eyeshadow. What you want to do is, I know it looks weird right now, you want to go over it so it looks as even as possible, and you do want to just take your time. And now I'm going to do that on my other eye. Let's just hope for the best. I'm going to do this off camera and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm going to do eyeliner. I didn't think I was going to do eyeliner, but you know what? I'm just going with it. I'm going to use the Matte Velvetine by Lime Crime in the shade Jinx. And it's like a deep plum and I really want to use that. So I'm just going to put some at the back of my hand. And I'm just going to grab a brow brush, but I feel like it's a lot better than the liner brush. I'm just going to clean the bottom. I just feel like I always do black eyeliner, so I wanted to change it. So I'm going to curl my lashes with my spoon. You can use whatever you want, your eyelash curler if you use a spoon. Nice. We're going to put the mascara as well and pop on some lashes. Now I'm going to comb my lashes using the Benefit They're Real Beyond Mascara. For the lashes, I'll be using the Koko lashes in the style Goddess because it is so appropriate for Goddess a woman. And these lashes, they're shorter on the inner corner and longer on the outer corner, which is perfect for this. Oh my god, I'm dying for this. Okay, now the lashes are on. I'm going to do my face off of camera and I'll be right back. I'm just going to finish the eyes. For my waterline, I'm going to use a lip liner. This is the NYX Slide On Lip Liner in the shade Live in Pastel. The only reason why I'm using this one instead of the full whites is because this one's a little bit darker than the full white. I didn't want my waterline to be super white. Next, we're going to go in with the color Passion, and we're applying this shade close to the lash line. Next, with that same brush, I'm going to grab Soul and just mix both of the shades in. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab the shade Love on a pencil brush. You need to go back with the shades from before. And I'm just going to grab a brush to clean the bottom part. I'm going to pick up Wild Child again, but this time with the pencil brush. And we're going to add that on the inner corner. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. And you want to bring it up. Okay, so now I'm going to contour with the Kiss New York Professional Contour Kit. This is in the shade Medium, and I'm going to grab the darkest shade. And I'm going to be using their angled contour brush. Do the forehead. My baby hairs are always in the way. I'm going to contour the jawline. For the nose, knows I always contour with a different shade, which is the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. To soften up the contour, I'm going to use the NYX NoFilter finishing powder in the shade Golden. So it's not that dark. Now I'm just going to go back into the Kiss New York Contour Kit palette, and I'm going to be grabbing the shade in the middle just to bronze up the face. A little bit on the nose, a little bit on the forehead, and on the neck. For blush, I'm going to go and grab the Ombre Radiance palette by Kiss New York Professional. This is in the shade Demure, and I'm going to be grabbing the center, the mauve kind of shade. We're going to be applying that to the apples of our cheeks. And for highlighter, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. Just highlighter here. Okay, so I'm going to highlight my cupid's bow, the tip of my nose, and the bridge of my nose as well. And now that I'm done with powders, I'm going to go back and coat my bottom lashes. For the lips, should I do gloss? I'm not doing her lip. Either way, I'm not even following her makeup. It's just a little bit of the cut crease that we got going on and the color vibe. So I'm going to go in with the LA Girl lip liner. This is in the shade Natural Creme. And I'm going to open my lip. I'm actually just lining my lips. I'm not filling them in. Probably a little bit on the side. Next, I'm just gonna fill in my lips using the NYX Lip Tease Lip Lacquer. It's like super pigmented. That's why I'm not filling in my lips with anything else. I'm just gonna grab this and dot it. So I just apply it on the center of the lips. And it's so comfortable. A lip brush that I'm just gonna use to blend in the liner with the gloss. Guys, I'm not joking. It's really, really nice. It's such a nice subtle pink because all the attention is on the eyes. And to complete the look, I'm just going to set it using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And that completes the makeup look. I hope you guys like and enjoy this makeup tutorial. I know I've been doing a lot of bold makeup looks, but looking at this eye look, it represents the palette so much. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. If you do, please don't forget to thumbs this video up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys till my next video. Bye! No, I forgot. I love YouTuber. Say hi to everybody, YouTuber. This is my baby boy. I love him so much. Oh my god. Hello? Celestial? Celestial. Oh my god, how do you say that?
Celestial.
Ay, ay. Is you out? Oh my god, it was like out the entire time. Live in pastel. Live in pastel. Live in pastel. Pastel colors. Oh my god. How do you say it?
Pastel.
It's in the shade Live in Pastel. 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 Oh my god. Why does it sound so weird? Live in Pastel. In the shade Molten. Molten. What is that? Where's my mirror? Where's my mirror, guy? I'm going bald, but this is really what I wanted. Oh my gosh. I know I have been going bald. Oh my god. Okay, bye.